How to post a picture on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So posting a picture on YouTube is very simple. Open your YouTube application. You can either do it in your mobile phone or your desktop. Then you will see this plus icon in the bottom middle section. Tap on it. Then go to add gallery icon. Now give access to your gallery if you have not already. So simply give access, and now you will be able and done. You will be able to share it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.